My left knee, it had been bothering me since 2023 about. In December 23, my wife and I moved from Pennsylvania to beautiful Florida, and it became worse, painful. I wasn't functional, and sometimes, a big pang so I met Dr. Daniel Jones of South Florida Orthopaedics in July 24. The x-rays, the MRI, and it showed severe degeneration, osteoporosis, arthritis, problems with the meniscus. We didn't want to do surgery straight away. We tried a steroid shot, which Dr. Jones gave me, and for a few months it worked somewhat, but in December 24 it became worse again. He gave me a second shot, and that didn't work at all. In January I went back and we decided to do a full knee replacement. Full anesthesia, so my wife had to drive me home, but I could walk the same day, released from the hospital. I could walk with a cane. Did physical therapy for 2 months, a couple of days a week. And in 2 months, I was back functional. In about 4 months, a little bit of pain still, but I could walk normally. And in 6 months, which is, where are we by now? August last year, I was totally as if nothing had ever happened and my knee was brand new. And I'm a very happy camper. It's all good. Huge guy, and like so many huge guys, very friendly. Caring, rational, he listened well, which is essential to me in a doctor, and at the same time very reassuring and comforting as to what the options are and helping me make the right decision. I can walk, you don't see my knee, but I can move it fully flexing. I can do anything I want. Before that, I really was stopping to walk. It hurt. And again, those pangs of pain made me scared of pushing things. So I'm totally at peace now. I have no problems. Great experience. I'm glad I did it. I also understand why initially Dr. Jones said, let's try steroid shots. I mean, not surgery hungry, right? First, let's see if we can do the least, and then when that didn't work, we did the surgery, and it really went fine.